Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your employment payrolls account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your employment payrolls account, firstly go ahead and launch open your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in employmenthero.com and make a search. The official page of employment payrolls account will appear on the screen. Click on three lines at the top right corner of the page and from the displayed options, tap on Login. Enter your email address and password associated with your employment payrolls account and tap on Login. Enter your email address and password associated with your employment payrolls account and tap on Login. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot My Password option. This is how you can log into your employment payrolls account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.